Good evening, welcome back to the channel. Now then, tonight we're asking a very simple question. Is this all you can eat buffet worth the money? Let's go in and find out. On paper, it sounds like a bargain. Unlimited food, unlimited soft drinks, and plenty of choice. But all-you-can-eat restaurants often promise more than they deliver. Today, we're going to be finding out if this one is genuinely worth your money, or just another buffet that looks better than it tastes. As I wandered around the buffet for the first time, one thing became immediately obvious. No one was going hungry tonight. There was certainly no shortage of choice. Fresh seafood, barbecued meats, and plenty of traditional Thai dishes all waiting to be eaten. What impressed me straight away wasn't just the variety though. It was how everything had been laid out. The chilled ingredients were kept inside a large glass-topped display freezers, making it easy to see exactly what was on offer while helping keep everything protected. Anything that didn't need chilling was either covered with lids or wrap, which was a nice touch and something you don't always see at barbecue buffets. The more I walked around, the more I realised just how much thought had gone into the selection. There was a whole dim sum selection, complete with its own steamer. Ironically, I'd been so wrapped up in the filming I didn't even realise there was a dim sum section until we were almost ready to leave. By then I was far too full to do anything about it. Shelves filled with different sauces. Salads and traditional Thai desserts. Followed by prepared Thai dishes including spicy salads, papaya salad, noodles, fried rice, fish cakes, spring rolls and plenty more besides. Then came the barbecue selection itself, trays of pork, chicken and beef in both natural and marinated flavours, alongside fresh vegetables, herbs, eggs, ready to cook at your table. And finally, the seafood. Red tilapia, sea bass, squid, crabs, oysters, clams, cockles, and several different types of prawns. With a preparation station where the staff would clean and season your fish before handing it back to you to cook yourself. But after visiting enough buffets over the years, I've learnt that choice alone doesn't make one worth recommending. With our first plates loaded up, it was finally time to stop looking and start cooking. Unlike typical buffets where everything is ready to eat, this is all part of the experience. You cook at your own pace, deciding what goes on next while the conversation carries on around the table. The setup was split across 2 charcoal grills. One was perfect for larger items like the whole fish, whilst the other combined a raised grill for meats and seafood with a moat of simmering water around the edge, ideal for vegetables, tofu and anything else that needed a gentler cook. And yes, before anybody asks, the bacon went on first. Some traditions simply can't be ignored. With everything sizzling away, all that was left to do was wait, and hope the buffet tasted as good as it looked. Come, give it a try. Good, huh? Thankfully, those first few bites quickly put any doubts to rest. The meats were fresh along with the seafood, and apart from one small disappointment with the squid, which hadn't been cleaned quite as well as we would have liked, everything else lived up to the first impressions we'd had while walking around the buffet. Before long, we completely stopped thinking about what to cook next and simply found ourselves enjoying the evening. Every trip back to the buffet seemed to uncover something we'd missed the first time around, which probably explains why our plates kept finding their way back to the table. As the evening came to an end, there was only one question left to answer. Was it worth it? For us, the answer was an easy yes. The selection was impressive. The quality was far better than we'd expected, and apart from one small issue with the squid, everything else we tried was genuinely enjoyable. But what really made this place stand out wasn't just the food, it was the whole experience. Being able to take your time, cook everything yourself over charcoals, chat between courses and simply enjoy the evening made it feel about much more than just another buffet. Even when the rain arrived, everyone had to move undercover. The staff handled everything quickly and efficiently, keeping the evening running smoothly without any fuss. Would we come back? Without hesitation. In fact, we'd go as far as saying this is one of the best all-you-can-eat buffets we've visited in Phuket. Not just because of the variety or quality, but because everything came together to create an evening we'd happily repeat. And that's probably the biggest compliment we can give it. Well, that's another food adventure here in Phuket. If you're looking for more amazing places to eat, I've picked another adventure for you right here. Until the next food adventure, I'll see you over there. I eat, I ride, I explore. Until next time, I'll see you soon.